One of my favorite dishes to cook is a biryani. In our house, it was always a special occasion meal because it takes quite a while to cook and there are lots of different stages. So at the Spice Tailor, I decided to come up with a biryani that had all those lovely layers of flavors, but was really quick and easy to do. So whenever we cook Indian food, we fry up some whole spices. We've got some cinnamon, some cloves, and some green cardamom. So we'll have a look. Okay. We're going to use chicken this time. Now, biryani is traditionally started off being with, lamb, but now we use chicken, vegetables, whatever you want. So in straight away with the sauce. And you just want to bring that up to a really lovely simmer. And if you're worried about not cooking your biryani yourself, don't worry about it. The sauce is still cooked in the way you'd cook in the kitchen. It's got all those lovely layers of flavors. So I'm going to add a little bit of water so it doesn't burn. I'm going to cover it, turn the heat down a bit, and just let it simmer till it's cooked. Biryanis are often garnished with these lovely crispy onions. Nice sizzle, these can go in. Sometimes when you're frying your onion, you'll see the ones at the edges are browning a little bit quicker than the ones in the center. So just keep an eye on it and give it good stirs. All right, that's done. Back to the biryani. Let's have a look. Really lovely. I can see there's quite a bit of liquid in the pan, so I'm just going to keep the lid off. Whilst the chicken's finishing off, we're going to do the last element of a proper biryani, which is making this wonderful saffron milk. So we're going to heat up a little bit of milk. In goes a pinch of saffron. You don't need too much. And as that heats up and continues to cook, it'll just release all those lovely colors and flavors that you want from your saffron. And then I'm going to reduce it by half. Chicken's done, smells amazing. So now it's time for our rice. We've got already really great quality basmati rice, but we're just going to massage the rice a little bit to break up any clumps that might have formed. And then you almost just want to shower it in. It has really lovely kind of pilaf flavor. So you don't have to add the saffron, but the saffron does give you that little bit extra. Let's give the saffron a bit of a stir, and you can just see the color getting darker and darker. And then just pour over some of our saffron milk. Now, if you were in India and you were cooking up biryani for someone special, you might add a couple of cubes of butter into this milk, so it just adds a little bit more richness. I am so excited because these are the perfect crispy browned onions. They're lovely and caramelized. You can see they're not too dark, they're delicate, and they have a lovely, lovely touch of sweetness. Now we just cover the whole pot and just let it steam through on your lowest heat for 5 minutes. We just want to steam the rice so it's lovely and hot and the whole thing comes together and all those really lovely aromas start getting into the rice. Okay, let's serve up. This looks really beautiful. You've got, lovely layers of chicken in the sauce. You've got some rice coated in the sauce, but you also have some plain rice just with the lovely saffron. It looks so special, but cooked in no time at all. I sometimes think this last bit is the best bit because it's a little bit crispy at the bottom. So actually, I think that's my treat. I'm not joking, it's really good.